see that. Got a feeling today is gonna be a good day. So we hunting 4 people. Hunting my cousin Gary, good friend of mine Nathan, his good friend, and me. And we're gonna take 2 boats with 2 pirogues and 1 kayak. And then one guy's gonna sit in a blind until one guy's finished limiting it out, or limiting out, and we're gonna switch out. So plan to get y'all some good shots today. I learned my lesson on the last video. I didn't get too many duck shots, and I'm gonna turn the camera on a little better today, but they should be doing it dirty today. All right, boys. I'll see y'all there. Hey, Nate, what are we trying to shoot today? What are we trying to shoot today?
We're trying to shoot doggery and canvasbacks.
That's what we're trying to shoot. If anything else comes in, that's a bonus.
Yeah.
That's right. Let's put them decoys out.
What that is over there? That's golf outdoors?
That's golf outdoors, bro. What that is over there?
Falling Tide, man.
Falling Tide TV. All of my subscribers, y'all go subscribe.
Right now,
That's cans, bro.
them decoys are just so big.
He gone.
Shot that.
I did. Yo, they got up, huh? That's a Drake can. Shoot that thing, bruh. What should it do?
Killing me. Oh, they didn't get far enough to my left. What you got?
What?
Bro, I just killed another band.
No way.
You got
Two killer bands.
dog.
Bruh, 11 years. You killed 2 bands in 2 days, bruh. What?
Hey, look how beautiful.
That's God's art, bruh.
Hey, we out here, man.
Show me that.
This is what we out here for.
No matter what else happens today.
Ooh.
Nathan got him a green head. Ducks flying all around us. Pelicans coming in.
But that's going on a dead mount, you heard me?
Flag's working good for y'all, huh?
Yeah, there are a couple of
Well, y'all check that out.
Hey, I think I got my 2 kills on video.
There's cans on the top. Wait. Kill him. Look, bro, they just falling out of the sky after. I'm not sure. I think you might have shot that one on the outside, yeah.
I got that one on the right.
You on this side? The left, huh?
No, Nathan's on the left, mine's on the right.
Wasn't. I'm just getting ready. Here you go. Shoot him. Shoot him for me, please.
Well, actually, all done.
Yeah, besides Gary.
He's gonna run over there real quick. Alright, so.
Give me my can, and so I can throw it in here. What he's got? You. I guess give me both my cans so he can.
Alright, who don't have a can?
I don't. One of those.
Yeah, hand me my other one, because he can't have.
You had yours, right?
Yeah,
I got
one back there.
yeah.
I got that in the redhead.
You pretty one, right?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know which one's prettiest.
Take them both. Hand me mine.
Huh?
Take him boat, hand me mine, so that way he can determine that in the blind.
I don't know what you saying. You ain't got 2 cans?
I got one. That's my can on the side.
Yeah, his was one of
And then hand him his. He can play with him in the blind over there. It's in the back. Just get in the B-roll.
Leave it in there.
Well, we can't have too many cans.
Yeah, we
you
can't.
Got 1 can.
You gotta take a can.
You gotta have a can.
Yeah. So that way he can shoot his can. To the right. See him? See him now? Right here. Right here.
Dogs?
Look like dogs. I ain't got no dogs yet, so.
Kill all your dogs, man. They coming. Yep.
Let them come in.
Kill your dogs.
Oh, dude, I had 1 shell in my gun.
And y'all didn't hit nothing?
Dude, I had 1 shell in my gun.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at them things. My goodness. That's nice. Say what? Kill him.
That was awkward. I couldn't.
Oh my lord.
I couldn't. That was awkward.
Bro, y'all giving me heart rate. Got a shell? Oh my. Bro, all these people in here, bro.
They don't know that we're missing them.
How you know? They don't see nothing folding up over there?
And they don't know. They don't know. They don't know.
How would they know?
How would they know? They're gonna know.
They're gonna know. How would they know?
How would they know? And
They're
do
not
the.
gonna know.
I'm gonna do the music in the background.
But how would they know? They're gonna know. Looks like big fly.
Oh Lord,
Lord have mercy.
Gary, yo, that is absolutely beautiful.
That's it.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
Not here.
That's right.
That was awesome.
That
If I would
was
have shot the first 2 I was aiming at, I would have killed like 3 of them.
yeah, don't do that. Well, we limited out on cans, huh, Nate?
That's a wrap, dog. And they all Drakes.
Hey, we got our bird dog coming. Hey, back.
Bro, them things did it right too.
They about to do it right again.
I know. I think it's them damn canvasback decoys, dude.
How are they doing it? So nasty. It's disgusting.
They're like, it gotta be real. Gotta be.
I know they just shot, but I gotta check this
Yeah,
out.
I know they. I just heard a shot, but.
Check that. Boy, boy, boy.
Oh my. They didn't shoot a doe one.
Honestly, I think this one's prettier than the one you shot yesterday or the other day. That's okay. That's okay. That's absolutely gorgeous, bro. That's phenomenal.
Dude, if
Know
they
what your
had,
priorities are.
hey, if they had ringnecks and we could finish off our limit, that'd be so fun. I wouldn't mind staying another hour just to. Oh,
That's so high.
big duck.
Hey, look, check him out. Check him out, Gary.